Alright, open the deck. Just showing you guys what I do. See down. See the boom coming out. Comes up and I stick my pipe in these racks right here. On both sides. I got me a little bench to sit on, water. Looking at the back, this is a Geronimo. Set my legs right there on that. Slide down that cord if anything was to happen. Just to give you an idea of what I do. Right there's the rod basket, and up above that's the crown. Harness. Ready to go.